welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful cowl. I use a bulky 5 yarn with this. It's from Lion brand yarn, and I will give you some more information on that in just a little bit, but just wanted to hop on this channel and give you guys a quick tutorial on this cowl. If you want to learn how to make this, continue watching. Hi everyone, today I'd like to do a tutorial on how to crochet a cowl for the winter. And today I'm using this Lion brand yarns homespun stripes, and this is in the color First Blush. It's a bulky 5 yarn, and they do recommend using a K or 10.5 millimeter hook. That's what I'll be using today. Okay, so to begin, we're going to go ahead and chain 60. And this is you can do this in multiple of 2s, okay? Okay, so I decided to chain up 70. I did an additional 10 because I ended up wrapping this around my neck to see how long I would like this cowl. So anyways, like I said, you can do this in multiple 70. Just measure and see how long you like it. What I like to do now is to go ahead and connect this. So this is what I like to do. Just make sure it's straightened out and go ahead and slip stitch into the very first chain that we made. So go ahead and connect that, and basically this will be how round the diameter of the cowl. Okay, you can make it longer or smaller depending on how snug you want it. So anyway, I'm going to start out by with this pattern. We're gonna do basically a V-stitch pattern throughout because it's pretty and also works up pretty fast. So to begin, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, make sure I'm in the video here. Okay, and then yarn over, and in the space right here we're going to do a double crochet. I'm struggling today. Okay, and that's your first V stitch. Okay, so the chain 4 counts as 1 double crochet, a chain, and then also this one is what we just did, which is the double crochet. Next step is we're skipping 1 chain, and we're going to be working a double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, so we're skipping that, so we're doing a double crochet into this next chain. Alright, chain 1, and then a double crochet into the same chain. That will create our V. Okay, that's 2 V so far. Okay, we're skipping 1 chain and doing a repeat of the V stitch. Okay, so 1 double crochet, chain 1, something can stick here, chain 1, and then a double crochet into the same space. Okay, this will work up pretty fast because I mean we're skipping chains, spaces and just making these V's. So skip one and do the same repeat pattern. Okay, 1 double crochet, chain 1, and then 1 double crochet in the same chain, okay, to create our V's. Continue around and I will show you how to start the next round. Okay, so I'm coming upon my last V-stitch on this row. Okay, double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet. Okay, and to close off this row, go ahead and slip stitch into the third chain of that initial four chain that we did. 1, 2, 3. All right, slip stitch into there. All right, and that is round 1. Okay, so the next few rows will be very easy. So you just, what we're going to do is we're going to move over to this chain 1 space between the V's, and I'm going to slip stitch to get to the middle of that V, and I'm going to make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and then like I said, that 4 chain, that's 1 double crochet plus 1 chain, and now we're going to make 1 double crochet into that chain space of that V. So the V's are going to be stacking on each other. Okay, so yarn over, and we're going to move over to the next V, which is right here, and do the repeat pattern. So we'll do 1 double crochet, okay, chain 1, and then 1 double crochet into the same space to complete the next V. And that's it, guys. That's basically all it is to this cowl design. Gonna just do this for several more rounds to make it as long, as thick, or as wide as you like. And I will come back and show you how this cowl turns out and how many rounds that I will end up doing for this neck cowl. Okay, thank you so much. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, I am approaching the very last V-stitch here on this 13th row, and let me finish that off. Sorry, it's kind of sunny where I'm at right now. My apologies. But here's my last V-stitch, and I'm going to finish it off by slip stitching into the third chain of that initial 4 chains that we did. So yeah, I basically used up the entire yarn ball, so I'm just gonna stop right here. And I did end up making I ended up doing 12 more rounds, so 13 in total. I didn't want to stop at 13, but I didn't have enough yarn left. So let's just go ahead and finish this off. I'll just cut that yarn off and go ahead and tie off. Okay, this is so pretty. Look at the variations of this yarn color. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so now my last thing to do is to just go ahead and weave in the ends. So since this doesn't look very clean, so I'm just gonna cut that off right there. Oh, it's really sunny. Hope you guys can see this. I apologize if it can't. Okay, so go ahead and weave that in. What I like to do is I'll just weave it in to the light colors, the same colors, you know, because this is a variegated yarn. It's kind of subtle, but you just want to weave it into the same yarn color that the end has. So just do your best to weave that in. buttons, and we are done. I'm going to show this to you in a different way so you can have a better idea of how this cowl looks. But it's super cute. I love the colors. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It was fast and easy work. If you guys do enjoy this video, please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you and have a blessed day. Okay everyone, so this is how the neck cowl came out. Came out pretty lovely. I just love how it looks draped around your neck. It's very beautiful. I love the variations of these colors. Very beautiful, and it's so super soft. Anyways, I hope you guys really do enjoy this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.